Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making delicious buttermilk pancakes. In a bowl I've added 2 eggs. Give it a whisk. Half a cup of sugar. Mix it till it's well combined. One cup of flour. One teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 cup of buttermilk. To make buttermilk, you'll need 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Set it aside and your buttermilk is ready. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Now you can replace the honey with vanilla extract. Give it a good whisk. And here we have it, our delicious buttermilk pancakes. Thanks for watching.